Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got my first 2019 government-issued coins today. It was a couple weeks ago I bought them, and using an electronic check, it takes a while to get here. But that's okay, I don't mind it taking a while to get here if I can get it for a better price. But with spot recently going up, hitting over $16, I was glad I bought this when I did, because my goal was to get some of these each month. And this is fulfilling one of those month's purposes. So let's take a look. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut it open. It's pretty heavy. I like the weight. Just going to put it down right here. Oops. And let's see what we have in here. We got this thing wrapped up pretty well. We'll go ahead and cut it through here. Let's get this baby open. Got ourselves some packing material. And I believe this is an item, not packing material. And then here is an item. Oh yeah, and I got my invoice in there as well. So this is it, my first 2019 American Silver Eagles. Look at that. Finally got a tube of them. And if you remember, my goal this year is to buy a tube of American Silver Eagles each month. And so this is fulfilling the first month's requirements. So I don't know, does anybody know, is this an original label from the mint? I don't think so. Probably something they put on there. Just wondering, because I'd like to cut it open and take a look at them, but I don't know if I should or not. It's probably fine just the way it is, right? Sealed tube. I don't think it's sealed from the mint. I don't know if the mint uses a tape or if this comes from the Bullion company, which I bought this from Bold Precious Metals. I went to every site the day I was looking to buy, and they're all pretty much the same, but Bold had a little bit more of a savings. I don't remember what it was. It was probably only a couple dollars for the entire tube. But you know what? It all matters. So I ordered from Bold. So that's cool. And as long as I was ordering, I also got one of these. So let me go ahead and cut it open first, and we'll talk briefly about it. So let me see if I can figure out how to get this open without causing any damage like I just did. Stuck a hole right in my mat. That's okay though. This mat was cheap. Let me see. Let's get this thing open. There we go. Cut it there. And what we have here is a Libertad. A 2017. I didn't have a 2017, so as some of you may know, I'm trying to collect every year of the American Silver Eagle, the Canadian Maple Leaf, and the Libertad. I just think it'd be cool to have every year from, the government-issued North America countries. And so when I saw this Libertad on there, it was a decent price. It was respectable. I don't remember exactly how much it was. It wasn't that much, so I bought it as long as I was, paying for shipping for this guy. Why not throw this beautiful coin in there as well? And again, it checks off a box on my spreadsheet for 2017. So I'm glad I got it. It's nice to just throw in there as part of the deal and get the free shipping on it, because as you know, most of these places you have to spend $100, and if you're just looking to get a round or two, it's not cost effective to pay that shipping. And then I recently picked up some other Libertads, which I've got a video coming out on, at an auction, and I was able to fill a couple more of my slots with that as well. So anyway, that's it. That's what I got. Tube and the Libertad. So both government issued, which is really, really cool, and able to help me with my stack. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.